There is no such thing as death, but when you have that experience that you call death, you release your habits of thought that are the only thing that are hindering you from being what life has caused you to become. So we call this gathering the art of allowing, and it really is the art of closing that gap. It's the art of allowing myself in my physical human form to be what life has caused me to become. It's the art of releasing resistance and allowing the energy that creates worlds to flow through me. It's the art of coming into vibrational alignment, not only with who I was before I was born, but who I have become since. It is the art of coming into vibrational alignment with the pure positive energy being that I am constantly in the state of becoming. You get this? So when you have feelings of unfulfillment, when you feel not enough, when you feel dissatisfied, that means you're just not letting yourself get up to speed with you. You work hard to convince us in the appropriateness of paddling against the current, and we always listen lovingly because we understand your perspective. But then we have to eventually stop you and say to you something that we want with everything that we are for you to hear. Nothing that you want is upstream. Nothing that you want is upstream. Not one thing that you want is upstream. And you know how we know that? Because we know the cycle. We know who you were before you were born. We know what your life has caused you to do in launching rockets of desire. And we know that the source within you has become the vibrational equivalent of what you're asking for. And we know that law of attraction is responding to that powerful pulsing vibration. And we know that that's what causes the current.